G here.
Oh my god! What is that?
OG Creations.
What is that?
I've watched a number of trending videos of late where a creator is running up an AI-generated photo and then trying to recreate that using their own craft.
Lazy sons of bitches.
I've seen cakes, dresses, dioramas, you name it. So I thought, fuck it, let's try it with tie-dye.
What?
I'm going to start with this AI-generated gorgeous photo of dark blues, teals, purples, and fuchsias. And I believe the best way to achieve this rich darkness
I see darkness.
is to start with a black shirt, reverse dye it, and then add in shit tons of color.
Oh my god! What is that? What is that?
I can't wait to see how this one's going to turn out.
Who cares?
Let's get started. I start with a damp black 100% cotton men's tee. Using the Geode technique, I gather the material in small sections and secure it with a rubber band. I then move down half an inch or so and secure again. Now it's time to watch the clock. On my dye rack, I apply a 2-to-1 water to bleach solution and allow that to process for 20 minutes. The shirt is then soaked in a 5:1 water to peroxide solution for 10 to 15 minutes. The shirt is then rinsed in cold water for about 10 minutes before being placed in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. They are then racked for 24 hours until practically dry. Now, referring back to the AI-generated photo, I created a color board to determine which dyes I would use. Those colors are Azure Blue, Powder Pink, Robin's Egg Blue, Kingfisher Blue, Orchid, Amethyst, Grape, Plum, and Nebula Navy. I apply the dye powders and top with a layer of soda ash. And just like my past creations, I want them completely saturated in color. So I flip it over and apply the powders using the same pattern and top with more soda ash. I create a barrier using aluminum foil and carefully top each shirt with a layer of ice and more soda ash. The shirt is then set aside to cure for 48 hours in a warmer space, somewhere between 68 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I rinse them in cold water and then slowly increase the temperature to hot. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, they are added to my Etsy store ready for purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. So, I love it. I definitely think the colors match the photo, and I do get this floral sense from the patterns of bleaching out the shirt. What a fun piece.
And if you ever try anything like this again.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I love responding to everyone. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next week.